In this video I'll show you how to use the Oliver Configurator. Let's start with the interface. On the left you'll find Add Room, and just below it the color controls for the room, which you can open and close. Underneath those are the products. On the right are the door styles, slab, shaker, slim shaker and traditional, with the finishes available for each. Every variable in the design lives on this right-hand panel. There are two ways to build a project, with a room or without one. If you need the customer's actual room, click Draw Room. And there are two ways to draw it. The first is the ready-made template on the left. Pick a template and edit its dimensions. This wall is 1800 mm, let's make it 1500. Click Generate Room, and the wall closest to the camera turns transparent, so you can always see inside. If you want to start again, click Remove. The second is to draw the room yourself, point by point, using reference points, so you can match any shape the customer has. Once the outline is closed, you place your doors and windows in exactly the same way. Now watch the floor as I rotate the room. The wall I clicked has a red strip along its base. That strip tells you which wall the next product will go against. Click a product and it goes straight to that wall. And you can drag it wherever you like afterwards. To carry on against a different wall, select that wall first and check for the red strip. To add a unit, just click it. To delete a unit, tap the product and press the Delete button. That's the one to use on showroom tablets. On a desktop, select it and press the Delete key. Scroll with the mouse wheel to zoom in and out, and hold the right button to orbit around the design. Let me put a run together. A 300 mm base unit, a 600 mm toilet unit beside it, and a wall unit above. When I click a different wall, the design moves across to it. I'll add a mirror cabinet and a 300 unit next to it. To rearrange anything, simply drag it. With a room in place you can change the floor and wall finishes. Open Textures and go to the Floor category. Whichever finish you pick is applied straight away. Select a wall and you get two options, ceramic tiles or plain colors. Here I've tiled the main wall and kept the back wall plain. Now the variables. Double-click any door style to apply it. From slab you can choose green, a wood finish, white or blue. From shaker, let's take the pink. There's white shaker, slim shaker in grey, and traditional. For this design I'll go with the shaker. Then the details. A cup handle, a traditional basin and a traditional toilet. I want the handles, the tap and the flash plate in black, and the worktop in a wood finish. The design is now complete. Click PDF prices and you get a full price list, broken down product by product, with an image of every item. On the same sheet there's a QR code. Click View in AR, and when your customer scans that code at home, the design appears in their own room, at full scale, on their phone. The other option is visualization. Set up the view you want, then click See in My Bathroom. You can upload any image here, the customer's own bathroom if you have a photo of it, or a blank background if you don't. Then you write your prompt. A default prompt is loaded automatically, but you can replace it with your own. I'll type mine in and click Generate. It works directly from the design in front of it, and there it is, a realistic image of what we've just built. You can keep going. Let's add, place accessories and decorative objects on the worktop. Generate again, and they appear in the scene. You can create as many versions as you like. If you no longer need the room, click Remove. The design stays exactly as it was, and you can carry on adding to it. Here's the corner unit. One click and the corner piece drops in. Beside it I'll add a 300 unit, a 200 unit, and a tall unit. And again, you can reorder them by dragging the tall unit moved to the far end, this one brought across. Filler panels, end panels, and floor panels are all standard, and you can add them wherever you need. There are preset views as well, front, right-hand side, and top. The isometric view steps through to the next angle each time you click it. You can visualize a design like this one just as easily, with no room around it. I'll delete a few units, turn the design to face us, and change the colors to gray. Then see in my bathroom, a plain white background, and this time I've asked for the design to be placed inside a room. And that's what it's given us. The prompt is everything here. The more precise your wording, the more realistic the image. That's the Oliver Configurator. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you for watching.